Hello everyone, this is Charity and welcome to my channel. This is our second day here in Kyrgyzstan, but it's our first time to explore Bishkek, kaya we are super excited. It's October and it's freezing.
2 days after here.
Early morning, lumabas kami ni Jello para maghanap kami ng cafe na malapit dito sa area kasi ang anak ko napaka-choosy sa pagkain. Hindi niya nagustuhan yung pinaluto ko na pancake doon sa hotel dahil dry at saka matigas daw. Pero oo nga naman, tama nga naman siya. Nga may nakita kaming restaurant dito na malapit pero close pa pala siya. Kasi ay parang cafe bar siya. So mag-open daw siya ng 11 o'clock ata. Yun at 12 noon. So for lunch na siya.
Good morning. Do you serve lunch yet? Okay.
So sabi ko maghahanap na lang kami dito sa may tabi-tabi nito. At anyway, paglabas pala ng hotel namin pa right side to.
Let's find for a restaurant. Let's check if there is a Starbucks. Go, go.
What does it mean?
Go, push.
Hindi kami dito sa supermarket dahil meron silang bakery pero unfortunately wala nga sila nitong pancake or waffle. Buti na lang paglabas namin ng grocery nakita ko itong isang cafe na open na siya at naka-autumn pa siya ng concept dahil nga October during that time. So sabi ko sige doon na lang kami kakain. Luckily meron silang waffle dito or pancakes. Meron din sila. Meron pa itong panutella at raspberry. O diba nagustuhan niya at syempre pahuhuli ba ako? Syempre magkakape din ako.
A little different than all the rest. I'm quite old-fashioned, wear a hat, sometimes play chess. And when I'm out, I'm looking for that vintage fling.
Taga po ng aking binayaran ay nasa 667 som lang or 28 dirhams and you can check from the subtitle the conversion in USD and then pesos.
Does somebody find that vintage love? I kept on looking, but everyone's such a bore. And out of a sudden.
Filter dito, Ronaroto.
Yeah. Just make sure to download Yandex app kasi mas okay mag-book ng transportation dito kasi it's cheaper, naka-fix na siya, alam mo na kung magkano yung babayaran mo. Unlike sa taxi, minsan nag-iiba pa yung metro, lalo na kung may traffic. So, better use Yandex app.
That's the square. Look at this one, Bess.
Na nga po, nag-book kami ng Yandex from our hotel going to Alatur Square kasi yun ang aming first destination. Bali po, ang binayaran lang namin dito ay 119 som or equivalent lang ito to around 5 dirhams. So, napaka-affordable po. You can check also. Always check my subtitle because nandun po yung aking equivalent on your conversion to USD and peso. Hindi siya gaanong kalayuan sa aming hotel. So, maybe around 7 to 8 minutes ay nandun na kami at wala namang gaanong traffic. Dumating kami ng 12 noon at magpapalit ng shifting ng guard. So, I was really excited kasi that was my first time na makaka-witness ako ng ganong klaseng tawag nito. Basta namin doon sa Alatu Park, Alatu Square, pumunta naman kami dito sa katabi niya na park. At napakaganda kasi ang dami niyang mga puno. So madami kang shaded part na pwede kang maupo at meron silang mga benches doon. And then, ayun, meron nagtitinda ng dirty ice cream. So napabili din kami. Sunod namin na pinuntahan kasi nagre-research ako sa Google lang ay yung Oak Park. So, ang nakakatuwa dito, nag-book pa kami ng Yandex. Kaya pala yung Yandex parang natatawa sa amin. Kasi ang binayaran lang namin sa Yandex ay around nasa 80 lang siguro yun, 80 som. Basta ang lapit niya pala, yun pala, nasa likod lang pala siya ng Alatu Square. Ito nga pala sa Oak Park, meron siyang mga laruan at meron siya yung mga rides ng parang mga train. At meron din sila nitong buggy car at nag-rent nga kami.
Naka-story na nga eh.
Nakalimutan ko lang yung presyo nitong buggy car or golf car pero affordable lang talaga yung presyo niya. So ang nag-rent kami ng 30 minutes lang.
How about now?
Okay na, Bes?
Sige, mandar na kayo. Bahala kayo dyan.
Slowly, ha? Slowly.
That's how you drive a car?
Yeah.
Video.
Kunan mo yun. Oo. Okay lang to. Go slowly.
Is there any seatbelt?
We have a driver.
Yeah.
She's actually touring us around Oak Park, or I'm
Not
pretty sure
here,
it's
we
Oak Park.
already...
Is it Oak Park?
This is the Oak Park, oh my God. What is this driver?
Oh gosh, there's a baby. I don't know how to drive.
It's nice, Kuya. See? Look at those.
You just need to be careful.
Whoa, full speed.
Full speed,
Ah, this is so slow.
Take it slowly.
Ow.
Where are we?
We're going to return na the car.
We need to return na.
Car ba to or bike? I don't know how you call it. Or
This
the
is
trike.
the tuk-tuk.
Tuk-tuk of Kyrgyzstan.
Already did it already? Return.
Just be careful. Slowly when turning.
Oh shoot. How do I go here?
Okay, you need to be
You have
careful on
to think
the left
about
side.
it. You have to think about it, and then there's a
To the
Bike
left.
path.
Yeah, I know you can do it.
yes.
Yes, yes.
Wow.
Wow, that's
Bravo.
Oh, to the left, to the left.
Oh shoot.
He's a pretty good driver, actually, guys.
Wow. Wow, that's it. Wow. Okay. Yeah, he knows it. Oh my God, you are so amazing. Oh, slowly.
Bravo,
Slowly.
bravo.
Yeah. Oo nga.
Okay. Then we will stop over there, Kuya Jello. We're going to take a photo and video of the roses.
Ah, there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. You can stop here. You cannot go
Doon,
out.
doon sa may
Take
ano.
pictures.
Go to the shaded area.
Go to the shaded.
Yeah.
daily life sa ano.
After namin ng Alato Square at Oak Park, syempre gutom na ang mga person. Naghanap kami ng makakainan pero ito lang talaga yung nakita namin dito around the area. Itong fast food, local fast food nila. So dito na muna kami kakain.
Ano, dito na lang? Shawarma. Ano siya? Local.
Habang kumakain nga pala kami, ay may nakita kaming mga nagmamarcha na sundalo. So, we were not sure if ito ba ay mga trainee or mga tunay na sundalo. Anyway, natuwa kami kaya kinuhanan ko siya ng video.
What's the plate number?
I don't know. Did you read it?
No? I mean, yes, but I forgot.
Balik muna kami ng hotel para magpahinga kasi sa gabi pupunta kami doon sa Panfilov Park dahil meron yung mga rides doon. So gusto rin namin i-try.
That car is light blue.
Before kami pupunta sa Panfilov Park, magpapapalit muna kami ng pera kaya lang wala kami makita doon sa malapit sa area namin. So naghanap na lang ako sa Google at ito nga ang nakita kong bitok.kj pero medyo malayo pala. Ito yung isa sa mga entrance gate ng Panfilov at libre po ang kanyang entrance fee.
Sige, dyan lang kayo nakatalikod.
It's so slow.
Of course, because I'm taking... Oh, look at the Ferris wheel.
Oh, can we ride that?
Which one?
That. I want to ride that.
Very big cotton candy.
Marami silang rides dito na pambata at meron ding mga pang-adults at napaka-affordable lang po. Hindi siya katulad ng ibang mga rides na nasa park na medyo may kamahalan. Dito po mura lang talaga siya. Affordable lang po siya. Nagre-range lang siya ng 5 to 10 dirhams per ride.
Also going to ride there. Wow.
Abracadabra. And this is roller coaster.
I can even ride a roller
Oh,
coaster.
This is not scary.
Yeah.
Little high.
Jello! Jello! Bye, Jello. Jello, I cannot see. Yeah,
How dear.
nothing.
Lang kami.
Oo. 360.
Kasi dito, oh, nakikita ko.
Ito nga kami kumain sa isang Chinese restaurant. Natatakam kami doon sa parang sangyup.
Mas gusto ko. Pinapanood ko vlog niya.
Yes, please.
Medyo may kamahalan compared siya sa mga ordinary na restaurants dito sa Kyrgyzstan. Dahil ang binayaran namin dito ay around 160 dirhams, pero not bad na din kasi malaki yung kanilang servings. At meron na kaming beer.
Kain na muna ako.
Okay.
For the meantime, i-end ko na po itong ating video and abangan nyo po yung part 3 dahil mas exciting po yun dahil pupunta tayo sa mountains at pupunta tayo doon sa ski resort kahit wala pang snow, sasakay tayo sa cable car and then pupuntahan natin yung mga yurt. So much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, bye!